Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Are you insecure and confused about what to say when around women? Are you tired of striking out with women? Do you struggle to connect when approaching women? Don't despair. In this video, we will share 5 tips on how to master the art of seducing women. From starting to make a first impression to continuing to have a fascinating and unforgettable conversation with the woman you are interested in. But there is one important thing: when approaching women, you must have good abilities and skills, so you don't fail. Watch this video until the end so that your skills and abilities are complete, and nothing goes wrong. Are you ready? You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Don't be nervous, but be confident. Stand straight and make eye contact. Speak clearly and confidently. Don't be tense and stay relaxed. Smile and show a positive attitude, and use humor to lighten the mood. Practice good body language when speaking, and don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Embrace your uniqueness and individuality. Recognize and acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses. Be yourself and have fun. Focus on the present moment and enjoy it. Don't worry about what other people think about you. Remember that rejection is a normal part of life. 2. Create a good first impression. Present yourself well and dress appropriately, and always show a polite and respectful attitude to the women in front of you. You can start a conversation with a simple greeting or compliment. Show interest in her and actively listen to her conversation. You can ask open-ended questions to keep the conversation flowing. Avoid using pick-up sentences or clichés. However, avoid talking too much about yourself, let alone being too pushy and aggressive. Keep the conversation light and fun, and show your sense of humor and make her laugh. Find common ground and share your interests. Be honest and transparent about your intentions, and demonstrate that you are trustworthy and reliable. 3. Pay attention to nonverbal cues. Observe her body language and respond accordingly. Use open gestures and maintain eye contact. Copy her movements and expressions to build rapport. Show genuine interest and enthusiasm. Don't fidget or appear nervous. Avoid crossing your arms or looking away from them. Use appropriate touches, for example, a light touch on the arm. Read the situation and adjust your approach accordingly. If he doesn't seem interested, politely excuse herself. If she seems receptive, continue the conversation. 4. Be charismatic and charming. Tell interesting and engaging stories. Use humor to lighten the mood and make her laugh. Share your interest and enthusiasm for life. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Ask follow-up questions and keep the conversation flowing. Be a good listener and participate actively, but avoid monologues or dominating the conversation. Engage his senses with positive, uplifting energy. Use positive body language to show your interest. Be a great storyteller and capture his attention. Leave her with a memorable and positive impression. 5. Build comfort and trust. Find common ground and interests. Share anecdotes and personal experiences, or ask open-ended questions to get to know them, but always be sincere and authentic. Show empathy and understanding and respect his personal space and boundaries. Make sure she feels comfortable and relaxed. You can say goodbye when the meeting ends to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.